You're watching CKWS News at Noon. You are going to be needing an umbrella in the afternoon today. We're dealing with around 20 to 25 millimeters of rain. Temperature-wise, well above average. We'll hit around 3 or 4 degrees in the afternoon and actually rising in the evening and then slipping to an overnight low of around just 4 degrees, and wind picks up in the afternoon. So yeah, a bit of a wet one today. That started mid-morning for throughout parts of the region, and even in tomorrow we are dealing with a bit of a rain-snow mix and some flurry activity, and then that system moves out of the way. Overnight Saturday, a break up in the clouds, and that's going to pave the way for some sunshine to begin the weekend. Belleville wishing you a fantastic Thursday afternoon. How about 5 degrees for you today? 25 millimeters of rain, and starting off as that rain snow mix and then transitioning to just rain. 4 tomorrow, much the same conditions. And then some sunshine for Saturday, a whole lot of it. 1 degree your high, so even 1 degree is going to be cooler than what we'll see today and tomorrow. 1 degree is still above average. Average high this time of year is -2. Brockville getting to 4 degrees both today and tomorrow, and both days looking at a rain-snow mix. Today, a significant amount, around 15 millimeters worth of rain. And then by Saturday, yes, a whole lot of sunshine at this point and slipping to a high of -1 for Smith Falls today, getting to 2 degrees, 15 millimeters of rain. 3 degrees for Friday, that's +3. Much the same conditions and lots of sunshine to begin your weekend, and slipping to a high of -2. But again, that is the average high for this time of year. We'll get to around 5 degrees in the afternoon, 20 millimeters of rain expected, and then 4 for tomorrow, mostly cloudy. Lots of sunshine for Saturday as we hit -1, so that sunshine doesn't necessarily translate into warm temperatures. And then we'll rise to 3 degrees. That's +3 for Sunday, a mix of sun and clouds. And we begin the week with a little bit of sunshine poking through an overcast sky, climbing to 4 degrees.
It's been a soggy Thursday today with that low pressure system bringing plenty of rain this morning through the afternoon, and we're not quite finished with it just yet. A few more showers expected overnight before that system tapers off late tonight, early Friday morning. But as that rain starts to slow down, the winds will pick up, gusting up to 80 kilometers per hour around the midnight mark, and then that starts to diminish as well into Friday morning. And for your end of week, mostly cloudy skies for your Friday, but we also have a chance for some more precipitation, not nearly as much as what we saw today, but I'll let you know just how much coming up. And Saturday also looking sunny at this point. In terms of the temperature, we stayed above the seasonal average once again across our region. Belleville getting to 3 for Kingston and for Brockville as well, +1 for Smith Falls. And again, the seasonal average for this time of year is still -2 degrees. So a lot more mild than what is typical out there right now in Kingston, sitting at around 3 degrees, and again overcast skies, and we're seeing some of that rain still. Now it doesn't look like there's too much wind out there right now, but as we're mentioning, as the night progresses, it's going to pick up and it's going to be quite strong, so just be aware of that. Now that's thanks to this low pressure system, this Texas low that has swept into the region, bringing with it plenty of warm moist air, causing all of that rainfall. And as we head into Friday, you can see there is a trough that tails off the end of that low pressure system, keeping things a little bit unsettled for Friday. We're expecting a few rain showers, and then overnight on Friday, a few scattered flurries as well. But for Saturday, we have a high pressure system that takes its place and causes things to be quite mild in terms of the conditions. Now for Thursday, again, as I'm sure you know if you've been outside today, we had some rain and it was falling quite heavily at times. Now that does start to taper off, as you can see, the later we get into the night, early Friday morning. And then for Friday, there is a chance we could see some scattered showers in the morning. Then it's mostly overcast skies, the possibility of some flurries as we get into the evening or overnight for Friday. Then on Saturday, starts off a little bit cloudy, but we've got some sunny conditions to kick off our weekend. Now for Belleville tomorrow, you've got overcast skies, and again a chance for some more rain. A high of 4 degrees, dropping to 1 for Saturday, so still above the seasonal average with a mix of sun and clouds, and that sticks around for Sunday as well with a high of 5 degrees. For Brockville, overcast skies and 4 tomorrow. Sunny skies for Saturday, dropping to -1, and then back up to 4 with a few clouds for your Sunday. Smiths Falls, you've got a slightly greater chance of seeing some precipitation on your Friday, about a 60% chance there, but mostly overcast skies, and then some overnight flurries. But it's nice and calm on Saturday, and a few clouds for your Sunday as well, with the temperature kind of dipping and then coming back up. And that is the trend that we see over Kingston's 7-day forecast. Our weekend looking quite mild in terms of the forecast, dipping to -1 for the high, getting back up to 3 for Sunday. Then Monday, a little bit active there, some overcast skies, maybe some precipitation. And Tuesday, a bit more of a break, mix of sun and clouds, high of 4. Look at Wednesday and Thursday, the temperature getting to 7 and 9 for those days, well above the seasonal average for this time of year. Looking like it'll be overcast and a good chance that we could see some precipitation at this point. But now it's time for some weather wallpaper.
Weather Wallpaper is brought to you by Pam's Flower Garden. Pam's, your local florist, delivering smiles across Kingston since 1962.
This photo was kindly submitted by Catherine, and it's taken of the sunrise before we saw all of that rain and messy precipitation today. We had a beautiful sunrise at around 7 a.m. this morning. And what's that old saying? Red skies in the morning, sailor's warning. Well, I guess it holds true.
It does. Look at those brilliant colors, too. I guess that was the best part of the day, right?
Yes,
I mean,
all
downhill from there, Erin.
Unless you love the rain, you never know. Maybe there's some people out there enjoying splashing in some puddles with their galoshes. I don't know.
There may be some out there. I think the vast majority would probably say no, because the rain in winter causes all kinds of problems, right? Local flooding on streets, leaky basements.
Yes.
Because you got all that snow that's built up too, that's also melting with the rain. But you know what? We are overdue for sunshine, and you've timed it nicely, Erin, to arrive just in time for the weekend.
Yes, very much so. I'm looking forward to it.
Yes, and we're looking forward to your 10-day outlook a little bit later. Thanks, Erin. We're getting closer to the first long weekend since New Year's, and a lot of people welcoming that, and it's in the 10-day outlook, Erin.
It is, yes, and the trend for the 10 days that we're seeing here is some more mild conditions. They just seem to continue here. So with that, some more unsettled conditions as well. We're taking a dip on Saturday, getting to a high of -1, and then it's back above the seasonal average. And you can see on Thursday, February 16th, getting to 9 degrees, the warm spot there, with some expected rain at this point. But as you're mentioning, to kick off that family day long weekend on the Saturday, dropping again to -3 degrees, possibility of some flurries there, but getting back up, it looks like, to +3 on the Sunday. So again, the temperature just yo-yoing.
And up to 9 degrees. Wow, that could be a record-breaking day. We'll have to check the record books that day.
Yes.
All right, we'll be right back.
You're watching CKWS News at 11.
A wet and soggy Thursday today, and that's thanks again to that Texas low that started to affect our region this morning into this afternoon. We're not quite finished yet with rain, some more precipitation for overnight tonight, but that'll start to taper off late tonight into the early hours of Friday. Friday, mostly overcast skies, but you can see this trough tailing off of the low pressure system could still bring some scattered showers and then some flurries, maybe for Friday night. Saturday looking a lot more calm, and that's thanks to a high pressure system that moves into its place, bringing some more calm conditions to start our weekend. Belleville for your Friday, overcast skies, and again, you have a chance for some rain, dipping to a high of +1 for Saturday. Saturday and Sunday seeing some variable cloud coverage and some sunny skies as well. Brockville for your Friday, overcast with a high of 4, dropping to -1 for Saturday with sunshine, and Sunday a sun cloud mix, getting back up to 4 degrees. Smiths Falls similar here, although you have a slightly greater chance to see some precipitation to end your week with 60% chance for some showers and overnight flurries. Sunny skies for Saturday, high of -1, 4 for Sunday, and a mix of sun and clouds. Now Kingston's 7-day forecast here now showing us that yes, the weekend is looking quite calm in terms of the forecast, but a little unsettled as we start next week. High of 3 with a chance for some mixed precipitation on Monday. Then Tuesday, mix of sun and clouds, high of 4. Gets even warmer for Wednesday and Thursday. Look at those temperature highs. 7 for Wednesday, 8 for Thursday. Both days expecting to see some overcast skies and some chance for some more precipitation.